for the first part of what I want you to be doing tomorrow, and realistically you can do this at any time tomorrow because this lecture is just going to be narrated over, is to clean up your actual folder. I'm taking a look at a lot of the folders that we have, and they're looking like there's just too much going on. So here's what I mean by cleaning up the folders. And then Abner and Pablo, I'm basically doing it for you guys, at least to some extent. So what I want you to do is you're going right click on your computer, new folder. So we're going to do one where it's just videos. We're going to go video assessment. And from there, we're just going to move our videos into there. And you do that by clicking and just dragging right into there. Let's do this too. We're going to make another folder. It's just going to be called archive. And that's going to be for anything that you don't really need right now. So in this case, you could put case study in there. We'll keep the copy of the exercise list out here. Kyle case study, we can move that there. You're not using the master copy anymore because you have your own copy, so you can move that in there. And then just anything else that you're not using, have that in there. Oh, Pablo case study archived. Okay, so here's the other thing that I want you to do. If you look at the program, you can see the difference between this. This means it's a Google Doc, and right over here, this means it's an Excel sheet. So I would like for you to not have any Excel sheets. Everything should be Google Docs. So for example, this outline wouldn't necessarily work for what I'm looking for. So make sure that everything gets transitioned over to a Google Doc, okay? So by the time that I'm looking at this, all that I'm seeing is two programs and then that copy of that exercise list. So I'm going to use Mary and Michaela's example too. So right here, they've done something really good, that they've updated their programs on a weekly basis. But just let's make sure that we're going to do this. I'll do this for you guys as well. So videos. So we can just move these to there. And when I'm looking in here, I should only see, so if we go to week 1 Mary's folder, so we want, instead of having 4 different documents, we would say this is week 1. So if you look in the lower right hand corner, I'm changing the name of the tab. It says week 1. And then I just hit that little plus symbol, and then it says week 2. So what they would have done right there is they would have taken their week 2, that's Mary's, so Mary's program on week 2. And then this right here, we would copy all of that. It seems like we just need this right here, but I'll copy the whole thing. And then that would end up getting moved over to, where's my folder? This week 2 right here. So that way everything's in one sheet, so you're not flip-flopping in between documents, okay? And then in this case now, we could delete this week 2 because now week 1 has it all. So big part of tomorrow, clean up your folder. I'm also going to give you a second part. It's going to be to watch a few videos, and then after watching those videos, you're going to have an assignment based on that. So I will email everybody out for that.